If you're working toward becoming a prop firm trader, VPropTrader is a solid platform to train the right way. It offers a safe, affordable, and well-structured environment designed to help you practice without risking real money. With an NT5 style evaluation, low entry barriers, and clearly defined rules, it encourages discipline right from the start. VPropTrader has built a strong reputation in India and beyond by focusing on what truly matters in trading: risk management, consistency, and proven performance. Since everything runs on a fully simulated setup, you can develop and refine your trading skills without the pressure of real financial loss during the evaluation phase. That transparency and security are exactly why thousands of traders trust the platform to begin and grow their trading journey with confidence. Getting started is simple. You can click Start Evaluation to jump right in, or choose Learn More if you'd like to explore how the platform works first. The pricing is clear and beginner-friendly. You can even start your evaluation for free with no hidden fees. Profit targets are realistic, either $50 or $100 depending on the plan, and each plan includes sensible risk rules, such as a $50 daily loss limit and a $100 overall loss limit, helping you stay focused and disciplined. The evaluation requires just 4 trading days, making it quick and easy to manage. Some plans also offer refundable options for added flexibility. The community feedback speaks for itself. Many traders share their success stories after passing the challenge and getting funded, while others exchange tips and strategies. This active and supportive environment helps new traders feel more confident as they get started. In short, if you're looking for structured, risk-free trading practice with real opportunities, VPropTrader is a great choice. And if you prefer complete freedom and full risk, trading with your own capital is always an option. That's a quick overview. Don't forget to like and subscribe.